Hello everybody, this is Social Science, Year 2, Unit 2, and we are going to talk about the weather and the seasons. And we are also going to talk about the clothes that we wear depending on the weather. Let's go. In this picture, we have the different weather that we can find. The weather can be cloudy, when there are lots of clouds, sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. And here we've got different people wearing different clothes. As you can see, she is wearing like summer clothes. This is spring, summer, autumn, or winter. What do you think? Winter. This could be, well, this is because look at the leaves falling from the trees and it's windy, so it has to be autumn. Very good. And this could be autumn as well because of the color of the trees. And this could be autumn or could be spring because in spring it also rains a lot. Which one is cloudy? And you have to imagine that cloudy is this one, A. Which one is sunny? Where is it sunny? Here. Sunny and hot. B. Rainy. This one, C. Windy, super windy, autumn day. This one, D. And snowy, E. Okay? And if we look about the clothes, if we look at the clothes, we can see she's wearing t-shirt and shorts. He is wearing a raincoat and boots. And this is a hat, a scarf, an anorak, an umbrella, trousers. This, remember, is a helmet that we studied when we studied the other unit. And this is a raincoat, and these are rain boots, or you can also call them wellies. Rain boots or wellies. Let's go to the following page. In this unit, we have also studied two instruments to measure the weather. One is a thermometer and the other one is a rain gauge. To measure the temperature, we use a thermometer. If the mercury goes up, it's because it's very hot. If the mercury goes down, it's because it's cold. Okay? Remember, if it's at the top, hot. If the mercury is at the bottom, cold. Is that clear? Okay, so here we have to circle. It's very easy. Here, the mercury is up, so it's hot. And here, the mercury is down, so it's cold. Let's go to the way we measure rain. We measure the amount of rain or the quantity of rain that falls in a place. If there is a lot of rain, the rain goes into the rain gauge and the rain gauge is full. If there's no rain or very little rain, the rain gauge is up to here. Okay, so the rain gauge is really a container. And the rain is going to be in the container, and the container is going to be full or empty, or is going to have a little bit of water. Okay, let's go. Look at the photos and circle the correct rain gauge. In a desert like this, the rain gauge would be empty. No water in the rain gauge. So we will have this. In a desert like this, also the rain gauge would be this one, or with a little bit of water. A little bit. And in a place like this, the rain gauge would be at the top. There's a lot of rain, so the rain goes into the rain gauge and we have a lot of rain. Let's listen to the reading, because you know that this little rectangle here is the information you have to study, okay? You have to study that.
Weather instruments. We use instruments to measure weather. A thermometer measures temperature. A rain gauge measures rainfall.
Thermometer measures temperature, and the rain gauge, measures rainfall, if there's a lot of rain or a little bit of rain. So that's the super important part. Now we are going to talk about the seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, or fall. You can say autumn or you can say fall, and winter. Remember that last year we studied that our planet rotates and also orbits around the sun. And our planet is not like this, it's a little bit tilted. That's why we have the seasons. We studied that in year 1. We are going to listen to a recording that is going to give us the information about the 4 seasons. Listen.
A.
My favorite season is spring. The trees have flowers and green leaves and it's warm, but sometimes it's rainy.
B.
Not me. I love summer because it's hot and we go on holiday.
C.
I like autumn. The trees are different colours and I like the cold. It's windy too. Perfect for flying my kite.
D.
Well, my favourite season is winter. I have fun playing in the snow.
So if you look at the 4 seasons, you have spring. Spring is warm, but sometimes rainy. Summer is hot. It's cold and windy in autumn. And it's snowy in winter. Sometimes it's just very cold, depending on the place that you live in Spain. Let's listen to the recording about the 4 seasons.
Weather and seasons. The weather changes with the seasons. It is usually cold in winter and hot in summer. Weather and seasons also change over time. Some years, a season is warmer or colder, and longer or shorter.
Okay, it says another information that we get is that seasons are not the same every year. This summer, it was very hot, but last summer, it was hotter than this summer. Okay, so it's hot in summer, but not every summer is the same. And it's the same in spring, in autumn, and in winter. Now we are going to talk about clothes. And remember that we have studied different types of clothes. Listen and repeat. Dress, sweater, mittens or gloves, but these really are mittens, but I know you know gloves as well. Shorts, anorak, scarf. Another type of anorak or jacket, t-shirt, hat, sandals, raincoat, and wellies or rain boots. We have to listen and color what the children need.
A.
What can I wear today?
Listen, the water
It's hot.
is hot.
B.
What can I wear today?
It's windy.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold and windy.
C.
What can I wear today?
We're going to pause it. It's cold and windy, so he could wear the jacket and he could also wear the scarf. What about the shorts? No shorts because it's cold. The scarf. Okay. Let's go to C, and in letter C you were hearing a sleigh. What can he wear?
Ah, it's snowy.
It's snowy.
D.
Okay, so if it's snowy, will you wear a t-shirt? No, you usually wear a coat or an anorak. A coat, you can say. And you can wear also a hat. Sorry about the coloring, but I'm doing this quickly, okay? What about D?
What can I wear today?
What can I wear here? It's stormy, stormy. I would wear my raincoat.
Whoa, it's rainy.
So it's rainy, it's such a horrible weather. My raincoat and my wellies to protect myself from the rain, from the water. This activity is very important because it gives you all the information that we have studied. It says, a thermometer measures. What do you think? When it's cold, it measures rainfall, temperature, or when it's hot. A thermometer, I tell you, measures temperature. Temperature. What about our rain gauge? What does our rain gauge measure? We said it before. The amount of rain in a place. So if it rains a lot or if it rains very little. A rain gauge measures rainfall. Rainfall is the amount of rain. Liquid in a thermometer goes up when it's hot. Hot. Goes up when it's hot. And liquid in a thermometer goes down when it's cold. Okay? That's so very important. If we apply this information in practice, you would have. Is it raining here? Yes, it's raining, or at least it's very rainy. And what do you think? Is it hot or cold? It's cold. So if it's cold, the thermometer goes down. Okay, it would be, it could be up to very little, up to here, for example, okay? And if it's hot, here in the desert, the thermometer goes up. Can a thermometer explode? Yes, it can explode, but not here. I mean, I will put it up to here. What about rain? Quite a lot of rain, so we could put the rain gauge up to here. And what about here? Is it no rain, so the rain gauge is empty. Is that clear? Okay. Let's see which is the correct picture. Look and read, circle the correct photos. It is a rainy summer day. Okay, this is summer and this is summer, but it says rainy, so the key word is rainy. So we have to circle this one. Which is the key word here? It's a windy autumn day. The key word is windy. This is autumn and this is autumn, but here is windy and here is rainy. So we have to circle this one. It is a windy spring day, which is the key word. Again, windy. It's windy spring day, so you are flying your kite. And the last one, the key word is snowy. It's snowy winter days. Winter here is winter here, but this is rainy and windy, and this is snowy. So we have to circle snowy, okay? What will you wear if it's rainy? If it's rainy, snowy, or sunny? Let's think. Rainy. Will you wear gloves? No. Will you wear rain boots? Yes. Will you wear shorts if it's rainy? I don't think so. Will you wear a t-shirt, a scarf, or a raincoat? I would wear a raincoat. So A, rainy here and here. What about snowy? If it's snowy, you wear mittens, and a scarf, B. And if it's sunny, which is letter C, you wear shorts, well, sunny and hot, because if it's sunny and cold, no. Sunny and hot, you wear shorts and you also wear a t-shirt, okay? So we've got a snowy, mittens and a scarf. Rainy, wellies or rain boots and an anorak. Or you can also say a raincoat. And sunny and hot, shorts and a t-shirt. And now we are going to watch the summary of the unit.
There are 4 seasons in a year, and in each season the weather is different. In spring, it rains a lot and plants can grow and flower. In summer, it is hot and we go to the beach. In autumn, it is windy. The trees lose their leaves. In winter, it is cold and sometimes it snows. It is time to make snowmen and play with the sledge.
And this is the end of Social Science Year 2, Unit 2, Season and Weather. Bye-bye.